typing transformation into the Mad Reaper Part 2. New ESC Mama Monster X8S. So after the last time of burn at the ESC, the Spectrum, let's see right here, the Spectrum ESC, we're gonna have to replace that. Something a little bit bigger, go something a little bit stronger. I actually have purchased this Monster 8 when I was looking for a good ESC for the drag race for War Machine. Here I'm showing the Monster 8X. Pretty nice. Castle didn't let down on this one. Look pretty good. Here's the problem with this stuff. Boom, boom, boom. Does not fit. How are we gonna fit this into the Mega chassis? Let's figure this out. So from here, I'm seeing that I can make it work with the servo, make it work with enough spacing, but I'm gonna have to do some modifications to this receiver box. Right here, I'm seeing that the box is gonna have to be cut at that point. I decided not to go with the mount because the mount would have elevated the ESC and hit the body and not even got close to being closed. I recommend these tips, Hex. They're very good. So now, took that loose. We can see the spacing of the Mamba in there. Does it take up some space? So now I'm doing a quick eye measurement of how that's gonna work out in my favor without really taking away from the car. So here I am, seeing where I can fit that Mamba right up in there very nicely. I'm seeing that right behind that screw, the screw hole. If I cut there should be enough space. Modifications. So after I got the Dremel and cut it up, trimmed it along those lines right about there. Now let's put it all back together. Should work and should fit very nicely. Quick montage. Set up the receiver box to all fit vertical versus horizontal. Not weatherproof anymore, but it's gonna fit. Had to add some extensions. The leads were too short on the Spectrum motor. But we made it work. Now, let's try this again. Why is that shit going so slow? That's going slow. Why is it limping? We have a problem. I gotta figure out why it's limping like that. Oh, the throttle. At this point, I realized the motor's going in reverse. And I should have changed the settings backwards. I flipped it. Gotta do some programming. But there's the first one. We go faster in reverse. Of the Mad Reaper. You ready? You ready? Next time, Mad Reaper, Part 3. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.